Okay, in case you didn't know, this is how you clean out a water fountain for your cat. So, you know, periodically, shit gets built up in here, and you gotta take out the old filter, throw that in the trash, because it's done filtered itself out, yo. So then, I'm gonna clean all the parts. Now, this little motor comes up. You see that junk in there? You see that junk? A lot of people don't know that you can take this apart, see? This little bit comes off, so now you can clean that. But then also, there's stuff inside here. Whoa, look at this. Boom, that comes off too, see? Now, if you got little hairs stuck in there, you can get them out. It's pretty good, because I take pretty good care of it, but guess what else? This little thing comes off if you're not too careful. That's the motor, you know, so it runs around, it gets hair. If you got a hairy cat like I do, you get hair around there, and that motor starts to suffocate. It don't like to suffocate, you know. So, you can run water through it, and that'll get most of it. And if you need a toothpick, this is my choice right here. The old toothbrush does the trick for most little cleanings. So, make sure it's cleaned off the best you can. Dump out the rest of the stuff. Make sure nothing goes down the drain. Clean, clean, clean. Clean, clean, clean. The kitty likes it clean. Kitty likes clean water. Kitty likes clean water. Yes, he does. Kitty likes, kitty likes, kitty likes. Kitty likes clean water. Yeah, you know, there's a film on it, so you have to kind of just either run your finger on it around it and clean it up. I don't think it needs to be put in the dishwater or dishwasher or something crazy like that. As long as you're running it under some hot water, doesn't even need soap. Yeah, just give it a once over. For the most part, that's all it needs. You're gonna put a new filter in, and it's gonna run like new. So sometimes you gotta jump start them. Oop. Yeah, the garbage disposal got one of my feet. I don't see it. I don't see the foot. Garbage. The garbage disposal is gonna get the foot. So effed that one up. Nope, it's not stuck there anywhere. Oh man. Oh well. Too bad. Yep, all clean. This baby back in there. Put this back together such way. Boom. This goes back in here. This goes back in here. Boom. Back together. Need to get the filter, and we're back in business. Back in business. That's how you clean a cat water fountain, y'all. Try it, do it, love your cat. They'll love you back. All right, they're gonna try it without the filter. I'll put the water down in there. About to there. I'm gonna give it a run. Plug it in, plug it in. There it's running, nice and strong. With the filter in place and the clean fountain. That's how you fountain. The end.